And then we can open it. Oh my goodness. There's so many gumballs.
Woo! Greetings, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Look, it's the magic microwave. Yay! The magic microwave is so fun. There's so many fun colors in the magic microwave. Let's see what we're gonna do with it.
Ooh, look at the magic microwave. There's all these buttons. And then we can open it. Oh my goodness. There's so many gumballs. Woo! Wow, look at all the colors. There's purple, blue, yellow, green, pink, red. There's so many fun colors. And do you know who who has so many colors? The Paw Patrol. There's Rocky, who's green. Rubble, who's yellow. Marshall likes red. Zuma likes orange. Skye likes pink. And Chase loves blue. Green, yellow, red, orange, pink, and blue. And we have all these gumballs. What do you think, Paw Patrol? Should we put the gumballs in the microwave? Yeah. Okay, let's put them in. Okay, so we'll get our cup. Should we do Rocky's color first? Yeah. Okay, Rocky, what color are we gonna put in this bowl? Green. Okay, is this green? Yeah. Is this one green, Earthlings? Yeah. Is this green? Yeah. Okay, let's put them in. Are you guys ready to press start? Press the button and go ahead, Rocky. Rocky, look what happened to your gumballs. It turned into a green Easter egg. Ooh, Rocky, it sounds like there's something inside. Yay! Okay, Rocky, let's open it up. Are you ready? It's a green egg and... it's a green Shopkins. It's Susie Sushi. Look at how cute she is. She's green just like the egg. She's super small and she's super adorable. Okay, let's put her back in there. Okay, Rebel, are you ready to put your favorite color in? Yeah. Okay, let's fill this up with yellow gumballs. Is this yellow? Yeah. This one? Yep. This one? Yep. Is this one yellow? No, that's red. Okay, let's put them in. You want to press start, Rebel? Yeah. Rebel, look, yours turned into a yellow Easter egg. It sounds like there's something inside. Earthlings, can you hear that? Let's open this egg. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a Tonka truck. Look at how cool this is. I love it. It's awesome. It's super cool and it really matches you. It's got the same style and everything. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, let's put it back in the yellow eggy. And we'll go on to Marshall. Marshall, are you ready to put your favorite color in the magic microwave? Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, let's put red ones in. Red, 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 red. That's a lot of red ones. Are you ready to put it in, Marshall? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's press this button and... Woo! Oh, Marshall, look, it's a red Easter egg. It sounds like there's something inside it. Are you ready to open it? Yeah, let's open it. Okay. Oh, look, it's a smushy mushy. It's a smushy mushy strawberry. It's really cute and super snuggly. Look at how cool this is. Wow, it's so squishy. Yep, you can just squish it because it's a smushy mushy. Okay, let's put it back in there and let's go on to the next one. Are you ready? Zuma, it's your turn. Yay! Orange, orange! Okay, let's put orange ones in. Orange 1, orange 2, and let's see if we can find 3 oranges. 3. Orange, orange, orange. Okay. Press start, Zuma. Okay, Zuma, are you ready to open it up? Yeah! Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, it's an orange Easter egg. Let's open up the orange Easter egg. Oh my goodness, it's an orange surprise toy snail. Look how silly he is with his silly eyes. That's so fun. Look at how cool this is. It's super awesome. I like it a lot. It is really cool. Okay, let's put it back in the orange egg. Okay, it's your turn, Skye. Pink, pink, pink. Pink is right. Let's fill it up with pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. 9. That's 9. And that was so cool. Let's get one more. 10. There's 10 pink Gumballs in here. Let's put them in. Go ahead, Skye. Yay, I'm so excited. Yay! Okay, let's open it up. Look, it's a pink Easter egg, and inside is a little pink surprise toy. Look at how sweet she is, too. She's got pink hair. She's super fluffy. She's a little baby poodle. Oh, I'll take care of you, little baby. Oh, how sweet. Okay, it's time for our last one. Chase. Okay, let's fill it up with blue. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay. You want to press start? Woo! Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open it up. It's a blue egg. Oh, and look, it's a blue smushy mushy. Look how cool it is. It's super awesome. It's super squishy and it's really cute. Yeah, it's awesome. Wow, well, we learned so many colors today. Yellow, orange, red, pink, green, and blue. Wow, we learned so many colors.
That was so much fun, Earthlings. Thanks for helping us learn all the colors, and thanks for helping the Paw Patrols get so many cool toys. See you next time.
Let's try it. Zim, zam, shazam. Ah! Oh no, the Pez got all over my house. Oh no, my house is so messy. Greetings, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Oh, wow, look, it's Peppa Pig's house, and she looks like she's having a fun time. Oh, and let's not forget, it's a 5 surprise ball. After we find out what Peppa Pig's doing, we're gonna open this, so let's keep watching. Oh man, I'm feeling pretty tired. I guess I should probably get to bed. First, I'll go upstairs and brush my teeth. Did you hear something? Oh no, I think I heard something. Okay, now I better wash off my feet. Now I'm gonna go get a nice snack before bed. Peppa Pig has foiled my plans for the last time. All right, Peppa, you're in for a big surprise tonight. Peppa Pig will never be able to sleep now because I've slimed her bed. And I might as well slime the bathtub too. That way she'll never be able to get clean. Did you hear something? I think I heard something. Well, off to bed for me. Up the stairs I go. And oh no, my bed's been slimed. What am I gonna do? I'm not gonna be able to sleep in this. It's not snuggly, it's so sticky. Look at how sticky that is. It's so sticky. How is Peppa Pig gonna be able to sleep? This stuff is crazy and it's covered all over her bed. Oh no, my poor bed is so been slimed. I think that was Romeo. Did you guys see that? It looked like it was Romeo. He slimed my bed. Oh no, now what am I gonna do? I think I'll have to call the Paw Patrol and see if they can come and help me. Bring, 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 bring. Hello, this is Skye. Hi, Skye. It's Peppa Pig. Oh, hi, Peppa. You sound like you're in trouble. Do you need help? Oh no. Rebel, come here. What is it, Skye? I'm talking to Peppa Pig. Oh, how's she doing? Well, she said that Romeo, she thinks, came over to her house and slimed her bed. Oh no, sounds like a call for us. Rubble on the double. Let's take to the skies. Peppa Pig, we're here to help. What can we do? There's slime everywhere. Well, let's try a couple things. First, let's use this potion. Yeah, we'll use this potion and see if it gets rid of it. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh no, it just made more slime. Look at all that slime. There's slime everywhere. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Let's try saying a magic spell. Maybe that'll work. What should we say? Let's say abracadabra. Okay, we'll say it on the count of 3. Ready? Abracadabra. Oh my goodness, that just made my house overflow with gumballs. There's gumballs everywhere. Oh no. Look at all the gumballs. There's even a gumball in my bed now. There's no way I'll be able to get to sleep now. What else should we try? Let's just say... What does Marty say? Zim, zam, slam? Is that what he says? Let's try it. Zim, zam, slam. Ah! Oh no, the pest got all over my house. Oh no, my house is so messy. Now I'll never be able to sleep. Oh man, what are we gonna do? Your house is covered. I think we need to call Marty. Okay, let's call them all together. Are you ready, Earthlings? 1, 2, 3. Marty. Oh, I heard my name. Oh no, Peppa, I thought you were going to bed. It's so messy here. How are you going to get to sleep? That's why we called you, Marty. We need your help. You need me to work some magic? Let's say it together. The words are Zim, Zam, Shabam. On the count of 3, everyone. Zim, Zam, Shabam. Oh, wow. Looks like this place got cleaned up pretty good. Thank you, Marty the Martian. All right. See you later, Peppa. Okay, I'm so glad it's clean. Now I can get to bed. Thanks, Paw Patrol. Anytime. We're always here to help. Okay, sweet dreams, Peppa. Bye. Ooh, Peppa's finally asleep. But you know what that means, Earthlings? It's time for a 5 surprise ball. Woohoo! Okay, we gotta do it quietly, so let's move away from Peppa's house. Okay, we're gonna open this 5 surprise ball. It looks like so much fun. Look at how cool it is. 5 surprise, and it has 5 separate surprises in it that we get to open. Oh, there's a princess on here and a kitty cat and even a little puppy. It's so cute. Oh, I'm so excited to open it. Okay, we grab this top part and then just peel it, and it peels kind of like an orange. Ooh, I'm so excited to open it. What do you think's gonna be inside? Oh, there's 5 separate things. I'm so excited. Ooh, should we see if it bounces? Oh, it bounced and it came out with one of the slices. Should we open it? Let's find out what's inside. Ooh. Wow, it's a hair bow. It's pink and it's so cute. Wow, we can put it in hair. That's so adorable. Let's put it in this pony's hair. We'll make her look so pretty. Wow, that is so cute. Let's put her right there. Ooh, should we see if we put this in, if it will roll? Wow, the 5 surprise ball rolls up the hill. That's so much fun. Okay, we've opened one. Let's open a second one. We peel that out and 1, 2. Oh my goodness, look at how cute. It's a little chickie. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Oh, it's so cute. It's yellow and it looks like just so cute. It's just a little baby. And look what it comes with. So it comes with this little baby, and then you can click on this collector's guide. You pull it out and you look at it and you see what you have, so you can see how many things you've collected. So this is in the cute pets, and it's right there, the little chickie baby. So we have a bunch more that we get to collect, and we keep opening the 5 surprises every video. So if you keep watching, you'll be able to see we can collect all the cute pets. Okay, let's open another one. Ooh, it's a stamp. It's orange. It's so cool. Should we test it out? Okay, we have to peel off this plastic, and then we'll get to see what the stamp looks like. It's an ice cream cone. Do you see that, Earthlings? It's an ice cream cone. Ooh, let's stamp it on, and it's orange. That's so cool. Let's put it right there. It kind of matches our little chickie friend. And now we have another one. This is almost our last one, but oh, it's a little mermaid. Mermaids are so cute, and it can be friends with this little chickie. They can both swim. It's so cute. Look at her hair, and she has a purple little tail. Ooh, she's adorable. Okay, let's do the next one. This is the last one, okay? Wow, no way. It's a rainbow. It's so cool. It's like a little pin. We can put it on something. Here's Cinderella, and we can stick it on her arm. That's so cool, and it sticks, and look how shiny it is. It's so sparkly. Wow, these 5 surprises are so fun. I'm so glad we got to open all of them together. Wow, and look at all the fun things that we got. Okay, we're going to open some more next time. Bye!
Hi guys! Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim zam shabam! Oh look! Here's some videos you can watch! It's going to be super fun!